As Los Angeles County steamrolled toward the state's June 15 launch date for easing many pandemic milestones, public health officials continued to encourage unvaccinated residents to get their shots and echoed the importance of testing as a means to stave off rekindled outbreaks. On Tuesday, California lifts the bulk of its COVID-19 restrictions, and the continuing decline in new infections, deaths and hospitalizations indicated that Milestone was still on target. The County Department of Public Health confirmed 4 new deaths and 196 COVID-19 infections on Saturday, June 12, raising totals to 246, 123 cases and 415 fatalities. The state dashboard Saturday reported 221 people hospitalized in the county, down from 236 on Friday, with 18% in intensive care. Nearly 900,000 residents have been tested since the pandemic began, with 17% testing positive, officials said. The daily test positivity rate was posted at 0.4%. Officials still recommend testing for anyone with signs of COVID-19, regardless of whether or not they have already recovered from a bout with the virus or have been fully vaccinated. Though testing and vaccination centers have shifted from sprawling megaclinics to smaller facilities, both are widely available around the county. Public health staff also urged testing for unvaccinated people who have been in close contact with someone who has a confirmed COVID-19 infection or who has had a potential exposure. It's also a good idea to be tested, officials said Saturday, if you've spent time indoors around a lot of people not wearing masks. Officials continue to urge residents to get vaccinated for the virus, too, offering cash prizes and other incentives. Under the state's Vax for the Win program, $50 gift or grocery cards are being awarded to 2 million people who get their first dose of vaccine, while supplies last. The state held its lotto-style drawing last week. Almost everyone in the state who has received at least one dose of COVID-19 vaccine is eligible for the drawing. However, to actually receive the money, winners will have to complete the vaccination protocol by receiving their second dose, unless they receive the 1-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine. On Tuesday, the state will pick 10 winners who will receive $5 million each. Newsom said the incentive program has been effective, noting that the state has seen a 13% week-over-week uptick in the number of vaccines administered, making California one of only a handful of states to see an increase in vaccination rates. Dr. Mark Ghaly, the state's Health and Human Services Secretary, said Wednesday that 65% of California residents have received at least one dose of vaccine, while 53% are fully vaccinated. Ghaly noted that the state's rate of residents with at least one dose is likely above 70%, due to delays in reporting.